Suppose if you want to find out the pattern, like which is at any position, if you want to find certain pattern, for example, like if you want to find a pattern which is having a and b in between, a and b, or let me take one more example, like let me take in any position inside this. So if there is in inside that column, that record will be pulled out. So let me write this: finds any value that have in in any position. Okay, so let me show you this. Let me copy this, and instead of %t, let me take %in here. You can take any letters. Let me put that in a quote and execute this. So it will go and check the product vendor column. Wherever you have in that records will be popped up. You can see here in the products vendor you have you can see here you have in this mini that is pulled out, in this min that is pulled out, and mini you can see and in the highway here also you have mini. You can see this, all the values are pulled out. You can write anything here. Suppose if I write lin and if I execute this, so the product vendor which is containing lin, that will be popped up.